One of my favorite things about thrifting is finding pieces with good bones. These three had exactly what I was looking for, they just needed a little character. Today I'm adding layers of texture and patina to these vessels and restoring the natural beauty of the solid wood fruit bowl. First, I'm mixing the base color for the pot. I'm choosing a light neutral shade for the foundation, and then I'll be adding darker color stains to create depth and dimension. After mixing my darker shade, I began building up the aged effect. I'm simply dabbing the paint with a paper towel, building up organic layers that mimic years of wear and natural aging. Take your time with this step and let the layers build gradually. There is no exact formula here. The goal is simply to create something that feels authentic and true to your own style. After I'm happy with the look, I'm adding a top layer of watered down paint. For this step, I used the same base color but diluted it to create a softer finish. Make sure to cover the entire surface. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, those little imperfections are what make it feel more authentic and time-worn. Then I repeated the same process with the second vase. For this one, I wanted to recreate the look of an antique olive oil vessel with a more aged and weathered feel. I first added a green acrylic paint, but I wasn't quite happy with the result, so I switched to a different shade with a satin finish, which gave me the look I was going for. I applied a semi-generous amount of paint and allowed some of it to naturally drip down the sides. I think those tiny imperfections add to its charm, making it feel more authentic and beautifully aged. Once I was happy with the result, I left it to dry for 24 hours. So here's how they turned out. I'm really pleased with the results. They truly have that beautiful antique pottery feel I was going for. And now let's get started with the fruit bowl. I'm lightly sanding the top layer to remove the old stain and reveal the natural wood underneath. This process can take some time, especially if you don't have the right tools like me, but with a little patience you can get there. I'm making sure to remove most of the old finish, but I'm leaving some of it behind because I love the character it adds. Those little imperfections tell a story and help preserve the feeling that this is a piece with history. And here is how it turned out. This may be my favorite upcycled piece so far. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing these pieces come back to life as much as I enjoyed making them. If you'd like to see more vintage finds and DIY transformations, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.